Hello guys, welcome to CryptoTech YouTube channel. Well guys, I've got a new update on Blum. If you know you are farming Blum, you can connect your Blum to your Tonkeeper wallet. Yeah, I've connected mine, so you also do yours. Ensure you do yours right now. Well, if you don't have Tonkeeper wallets, you can just download Tonkeeper, which is this. You just open the wallet. Yes guys, you open the wallet. This is the wallet. Yeah, you just make sure you connect it to this wallet. Ensure you connect your Blum from your Telegram to the wallet. And if you know you've not started tapping, you can just start right now. I'll drop the link in the description to Blum. You just keep on tapping and tapping. Tap. Yeah, tap. This is how to play Blum. This is how to play Blum. Make sure you avoid all these bumps. Make sure you avoid those bumps. Yeah, you tap. Yeah, this is it guys. In case if you don't understand, well, I've got two accounts. I can show you my second account on Blum, but I've not connected this other accounts. So this is it. Okay, it's active already. It's connected. Yeah, it's connected on Telegram already. Yeah guys, so don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and turn on the notification bell for more updates like this.